Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw Pocoyó, drawing and coloring Pocoyó and his friends. Let's start drawing. First, draw Pocoyó, starting with his eyes. Then draw his nose, his mouth, and his face. Draw a familiar hat. Draw a medal. Then draw his body and clothes. Draw his hands. What is Pocoyó holding? Oh, that's a torch. Next, draw Pato duck. Start with his eyes. Then draw his hat. Draw his mouth. Then draw Pato's body and his medallion. Finally, draw his legs. Next, I drew Fred Octopus, starting with his bewildered eyes. Smiling mouth. Next, draw Fred's body and his legs. Oh, he's holding his medal. Next character, we draw Baby Bird. Draw his face. Then draw his torso and legs. Pretty simple, right? The baby birds look so cute. Next to Pocoyó, I draw Elly, a beautiful and lovely elephant. Start with her eyes. Then draw her torso, face, and ears. Then draw Elly's arms. Her body. Elly wears medals around her neck. Below Elly, to the left of Pocoyó, I draw the sleeping bird, a bird that always falls asleep, even when she is flying. This character is very interesting. Start with her eyes, then her nose and torso. Next to her, I draw Valentina Caterpillar. She has a huge bow on her head. She looks petite and cute. Finally, I draw the puppy Loula. Start with his eyes, then his nose and face, ear. Next, draw the body. Loula is a very loyal dog who loves her friends. Now let's color Pocoyó and his friends. Start with Pocoyó first. I use blue marker to paint his hat and his clothes. Orange for his skin. I use light brown for the torch. Yellow, red, I use oranges for Pato's mouth and legs. Yellow, dark green, red for Fred Octopus. I use blue and yellow Valentina caterpillar. Nexter. I paint Sleepy Bird with orange marker and dark green marker. Then I colored the Loula dog, brown for his ears, and orange for his body. Next, I use pink for Elly Elephant. Yellow. Finally, I use orange, red, light brown, and dark green for Baby Bird. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.